The last day of the year on the route was super busy. Trashed the truck. We're empty. I just got some carts in where the box goes here. If we go all the way to the back, we have a total mess. Nothing back here. Let's transfer this thing so it's ready. So here's the agenda. We got a vacuum. We got to get our warranties out, our service orders mailed out. And then I've already staged all the boxes and carts to come in here. We got 4 of them. Let's take a look at it. For the back cart area, we have the storm gray with pink trim. In the center aisle section, we have the classic series triple bay black with green trim. And over here, we have a master series. Once again, black, pink trim, and a doodle. And then all the way in the big box area, we have the Epic black with the red drawers. And just like that, we got it done.